Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Let's begin. So, if you are a HUAWEI user, you probably know that by default you have no access to Google-based things. Unfortunately for you, it also includes Facebook. If you would go to official HUAWEI AppGallery and try to search for Facebook here, we will notice that there is nothing here. The only thing that only resembles Facebook is the Messenger, which we can't really download through the AppGallery itself, since technically it's illegal. Instead, we want to click Get. We have a nice disclaimer that actually it's not a download link, it's a link to a third-party application or website, and only then we will get a link, so let's hit OK. And you will notice that we are on App Parks, which actually gives users app download versions of applications, and it's the Messenger, not the Facebook. So what do we do now? Well, you want to open an application called GSpace. If you don't know how to install GSpace, we can get it for free on AppGallery. And if you don't know how to use it or set up, we do have a tutorial on that. You can search for, well, either first things to do after setup, which is video I recorded, or GSpace tutorial or Google account tutorial, whatever, something like this. And here, as you can see, we have Facebook. So now I want to click on it. We will load into Google Play Store, which isn't really a Google Play Store, it's just a digital version of it, which our phone kinda tries to mimic. Though as you can see, something weird happened, and Google Play Store died, so... Oh, I like when my phone is doing what I task him to do. So let me remove everything. Let's go to GSpace. Let's wait for the ad till it kind of, vanishes. Now let's open not Facebook but Google Play Store itself. Maybe this time it will work. Hopefully. Of course, we still have to wait for 5 seconds until the app is gone. We are still opening our Play Store. Finally, we are in our Play Store. Now we can search for Facebook here. So let's go with Facebook. And now we can hit install. Now and only one. This is pretty important. So now we are installing Facebook. And Facebook is installed. If we go back to our GSpace here, you will notice that Facebook is now on our app list, and we can just click it. It will also open Facebook, but it will also take a while. It will probably show us ads, and only now we can use Facebook, we can create account, login, etc, etc. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.